Okay, welcome everybody. Doing another short video tour of our construction progress of phase one. You can see it's cabinet day today. Actually, it's been cabinet week. Putting in cabinets. We just got the lights turned on today. You can see in our reception area, has some nice can lights. We are busy putting in the tile for our patient bathroom. Obviously a lot of cleanup left to do here. Have the cabinets in here at the front, almost. Need the counters surfaces. Have our admin area in here. Got our cabinets installed on both sides, looking really good. We had a little leak at the end of this hallway, but that's been resolved. Making sure that the roof is in good shape. This wall we decided to paint an accent color, so we'll see that be blue next time. Have our hallway, as you can see the lights are all nice and bright. Cabinets going in over here. A little workstation to the right side of this operatory here. A lot of activity. Cabinet there in our CT room. And this is our X-ray pass-through. So these are our 12 o'clock cabinets. Masks and gloves will be up here. Storage will be here. Trash, computer, and then we have drawers on the side. Drawers on this side for storage. And this is a work surface for us to put our instruments and things on as we're working with patients. This is our temporary sterile area. Probably going to end up moving these cabinets down a little bit. They're a few inches too tall, but that will be done later. Other bathroom here. More cabinets over here. Back over here we have, this is where our CEREC machine is going to go. Going to also move these cabinets down about 4 inches so they're a little more functional. Equipment room. Power. We have our power has been turned on today. And then back over here we are with the admin area again. And you can see where the pocket doors are going to go in so that we can slide them from the sides. Where I'm standing right now will be our break room. So the pass-through will go from the admin area into the break room, which will take down this wall, and the break room will continue on towards the south. All right, thank you for watching.